What's up, guys? We're out here testing the TLR tuned Typhon that I built. For those of you that didn't watch the build video, we got the 1650 kV with the Max 6, the Savox waterproof servo, and we are running on a 6S. Other than that, the car is right out of the box. My buddy Mike taking it home today, so we're just gonna rip it up and down the parking lot, try to throw this body on. It is tight fit. It does bump out the body with the 6L in there, but we're gonna cram it on and rip it up and down. All right, so we got my buddy Mike at the wheel, rip it back and forth. Hopefully the sun works for us a little bit. This is on 6S. Rips pretty good. I've been pretty conservative on the gearing. Oh, it's not scared. Just scratch it right off.
Hey, that's how you break her in.
I'm breaking it in. There's pretty good. Mike's gonna try to race this one this year on our dirt track. Pretty solid. Plenty of power. Oh, ripping it off road. Bring it out on the track, Mike. Ran a couple laps. Careful of the water. Although I did make it waterproof. Let me check that rotor real quick. It's literally still cold. Like no heat at all. And my hands are freezing. Yeah, so that thing rips pretty good. 8S, it is 8S capable. I did build it 8S capable. But plenty of power on 6.
Oh yeah,
it's awesome.
It's well.
We're gonna be bringing it out here on the dirt. Mike's gonna try to race it this summer. I might build one for myself. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Check out the build series if you're just catching the drive-in part. See you in the next one.